Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the top 20 lower body, top 10 upper body and best one trunk plyometric exercises along with instructions on how to perform them. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to the channel for more useful videos like this. The top 20 lower body plyometric exercises along with instructions on how to perform them. 1. Box jumps. Start in a quarter squat position. Explosively jump onto a box or platform, landing softly with both feet. Step down carefully and repeat. Depth jumps. Stand on a box or platform. Step off the box and immediately upon landing, jump vertically or horizontally as explosively as possible. Focus on minimizing ground contact time. Jump squats. Begin in a squat position. Explosively jump into the air as high as possible. Land softly and immediately go into the next squat. Split squat jumps. Start in a lunge position with 1 foot forward and 1 foot back. Jump explosively, switching the positions of your legs mid-air. Land softly in a lunge position with the opposite leg forward. Bounding. Begin with a few jogging steps. Push off forcefully with one leg and leap forward. Upon landing on the opposite foot, immediately repeat the movement with the other leg. Skater jumps. Start in a slight squat position. Jump diagonally to the right, landing on your right foot with your left foot lifted behind you. Repeat the movement, alternating sides. Tuck jumps. Start in a standing position with feet shoulder width apart. Jump explosively, bringing your knees up towards your chest as high as possible. Land softly and immediately go into the next jump. Single leg box jumps. Stand facing a box or platform. Jump onto the box using only one leg, focusing on stability and control. Step down carefully and repeat on the other leg. Squat jumps with medicine ball. Hold a medicine ball at chest height. Perform a squat, then explosively jump into the air while tossing the ball overhead. Catch the ball and immediately go into the next squat. Squat broad jumps. Start in a squat position. Explosively jump forward as far as possible, landing softly in a squat position. Focus on covering maximum distance with each jump. Depth jump to box jump. Perform a depth jump by stepping off a box. Upon landing, immediately perform a box jump onto another box or platform. Focus on the quick transition between the two jumps. Frog jumps. Start in a squat position with hands touching the floor. Explosively jump forward, extending your legs and arms. Land softly in a squat position and repeat. Squat tuck jumps. Start in a squat position. Explosively jump into the air, bringing your knees up towards your chest. Grab your knees with your hands in mid-air. Land softly and immediately go into the next jump. Lateral box jumps. Stand sideways next to a box or platform. Jump sideways onto the box, landing softly with both feet. Step down carefully and repeat on the other side. Ankle jumps. Stand with feet close together. Jump vertically using only your ankles, minimizing knee bend. Focus on quick and explosive movements. Squat depth jumps. Start on a raised platform. Step off the platform and immediately upon landing, perform a squat. Explode into a vertical jump as quickly as possible after the squat. Single leg depth jumps. Similar to regular depth jumps but performed using only one leg. Step off the platform with one leg and immediately jump vertically or horizontally upon landing. Lateral bounds. Start in a semi-squat position. Jump laterally to one side as far as possible, landing softly on the opposite foot. Repeat the movement, alternating sides. Plyometric lunges. Start in a lunge position. Explosively jump into the air, switching the positions of your legs mid-air. Land softly in a lunge position with the opposite leg forward. Depth jump to vertical jump. Step off a platform and upon landing, immediately perform a vertical jump. Focus on achieving maximum height in the vertical jump. The top 10 upper body plyometric exercises along with instructions on how to perform them. Clap push-ups. Start in a push-up position with hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body towards the ground as in a regular push-up. Explosively push off the ground with enough force to lift your hands off the ground. Clap your hands together before landing softly and immediately going into the next repetition. Medicine ball chest pass. Stand facing a wall with feet shoulder width apart. Hold a medicine ball at chest height. Explosively push the ball forward, extending your arms fully. Catch the ball as it rebounds off the wall and immediately repeat the movement. Medicine ball slam. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, holding a medicine ball overhead. Explosively slam the ball onto the ground in front of you, using your core and upper body strength. Catch the ball on the bounce and immediately go into the next repetition. Plyometric push-ups. Start in a push-up position with hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body towards the ground as in a regular push-up. Explosively push off the ground with enough force to lift your hands off the ground. Land softly with hands on the ground and immediately go into the next repetition. Plyometric triceps dips. Begin in a seated position on a stable surface with hands behind you, fingers facing forward, and knees bent. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows. Explosively push off the surface, extending your arms fully and lifting your body off the surface. Land softly with elbows slightly bent and immediately go into the next repetition. Medicine ball chest pass with partner. Stand facing a partner with feet shoulder width apart. One partner holds a medicine ball at chest height. Explosively pass the ball to your partner by pushing it forward with both hands. Receive the ball from your partner and immediately repeat the movement. Depth push-ups. Start in a push-up position with hands on elevated platforms, e.g., boxes or benches. Lower your body towards the ground as in a regular push-up. Explosively push off the platforms with enough force to lift your hands off them. Land softly with hands back on the platforms and immediately go into the next repetition. Plyometric rows. Attach resistance bands to a stable anchor point at chest height. Hold the other end of the bands with arms extended in front of you. Explosively pull the bands towards your chest, driving your elbows back. Control the resistance as you return to the starting position and immediately repeat the movement. Plyometric medicine ball throws. Stand sideways to a wall with feet shoulder width apart. Hold a medicine ball at chest height. Explosively rotate your torso and throw the ball against the wall with both hands. Catch the ball on the rebound and immediately repeat the movement. Medicine ball overhead throws. Stand facing a wall with feet shoulder width apart. Hold a medicine ball overhead with arms fully extended. Explosively throw the ball against the wall by extending your arms and driving through your hips. Catch the ball on the rebound and immediately repeat the movement. The one-trunk plyometric exercises along with instructions on how to perform them. Rotational medicine ball throws. Stand perpendicular to a wall with feet shoulder width apart. Hold a medicine ball with both hands at hip height on the side away from the wall. Explosively rotate your torso towards the wall and throw the ball against it. Catch the ball on the rebound and immediately repeat the movement on the other side. Please subscribe for more videos.